Hey everybody, welcome back to Useful AI Hacks. This is a bit different of a setting. We're here at Ronald Reagan UCLA Medical Center. I'm sort of like a cyborg. Haven't told you guys that yet, but I have a shunt in my head and they basically put a pressure monitor inside my brain that's connected all the way up here to the monitor to check the pressures in my brain, make sure that the shunt in my head is working correctly, because it really isn't. So nevertheless, that's the reason why I'm here. So forgive me, but we are just going to be doing I'll read to you the latest AI updates for today. And I really appreciate you guys watching and subscribing and sharing this with your friends to let them stay up to date on the latest in the AI industry, because we launch new AI industry episode updates multiple times a week, most of the time daily. However, situations like this arise at times, so I'm doing my best to bring the latest AI news to you guys in the most expedient way. So let's get right into it. Our first story takes us to China, where DeepSeek is aggressively expanding its global footprint. According to Bloomberg, the AI giant has ramped up its hiring efforts, posting numerous job openings on LinkedIn. This strategic move could reshape the AI landscape as DeepSeek aims to bolster its international presence and influence in the AI community. And next up, let's talk about Axios. They report that a fascinating development of Meta, where Mark Zuckerberg is throwing pro-athlete level salaries at AI talent from OpenAI. That's right. They're trying to get OpenAI's developers to head on over and to Meta, and basically offering them really large salaries. I mean, it's part of a larger effort to lead the AI race and potentially altering competitive dynamics across the industry. And in security news, the Hacker News sheds light on a significant vulnerability within Anthropic's MCP system that we just told you about last week. This flaw exposes developer machines to potential remote exploits, raising serious questions about AI safety and the measured need to safeguard sensitive data that's used by AI. And shifting gears to business, Reuters reveals Grammarly's acquisition of the email startup Superhuman. This bold move represents a major push into AI platform capabilities, possibly setting the stage for new advancements in digital communication tools. As you recently noticed, if you're following our latest AI updates, that Sam Altman partnered with Johnny Ive, the developer who made all the different iPhone, iPad, all the different Apple devices essentially, and all their form work and all their the look and feel of them basically. So if he gets moved over and OpenAI starts working with him, what could this next device be that Sam Altman was talking about that's not a wearable, and it's not a glasses, he says? What could it be? Could it be an earpiece? It's translating everything? I'm not sure. Tell us in the comments what you think it could be. But, finally, DevOps.com brings us news about the next version of Grok, which promises enhanced coding assistant features. You see, with this release just around the corner, it has been for a bit, Elon has been saying he's going to launch it and holds back. Hopefully it's coming out soon. Reports say that it could be this summer of 2025 when it drops. So we'll hope. But, with this release just around the corner, software developers can anticipate a significant boost in productivity and efficiency. As I've noted with the Gemini CLI, it's pretty awesome, and if you haven't noticed, you should check out the video about it. It's right up here or up here, and we dive right in, and we're going to be showing you in future episodes step-by-step processes of how to develop apps using Gemini CLI. Well, as I said, I'm recovering from brain surgery here at Ronald Reagan UCLA Medical Center. So that's about it for today. But, I really appreciate you guys watching, commenting, telling us your insights and what you'd like to see coming up next. That really helps us to be able to bring you the most up-to-date news in artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning, the whole industry. I just got my shunt updated, the AI in it all updated to the latest. So that's your latest useful AI hacks news for today. And I hope all you guys are having a wonderful day. Great 4th of July weekend. And God bless. Be sure to hit that subscribe and toggle that notification bell so you'll stay updated on the latest useful AI hacks news and AI industry updates as it comes out. I launch new AI videos daily if possible, and even if I'm in the hospital. So thank you very much. Please share this video with your friends and family so they can learn more about what's going on in AI, and we'll see you tomorrow. And if you want to see my AI right here, see this? It's coming out of my brain, and it's going right up here to the monitor, and they're going to be running different LLMs to figure out the best settings. Technology is pretty crazy these days, but nevertheless, I would really appreciate it if you could like the video if you found it useful, and subscribe to Useful AI Hacks, and be sure to click that notification bell so that you get notified when our next AI video launches, because we launch Useful AI Hacks videos multiple times a week, often every day. So be sure to toggle that notification bell so you get notified when the next one launches. And until then, God bless, and we'll see you tomorrow. Thank you for watching.